Just finished priming the corner. At least I'm pretty sure I've got everything. And the window. And there was some really tight fits, even with a small brush, and it was really hard to get my hand in there. But you can see the design is wicked cool. A good half a gallon of primer just to do this corner and that window there. But it's all primed now, inside, outside, everything. I'm pretty sure I did not miss a thing. And we did a bunch of caulking as we went wherever needed. So the little decorative pieces are all on there good and solid. And we added a little design to the window there. I don't know if you can see it very good. And then we're going to, I think we're going to call it a night. And we'll come back at this later on with some white paint and other colors.